You didn't get into engineering to worry about managing data. And as you're about to see, with Autodesk Vault Professional, you won't have to. Like Vault Basic, Vault Professional can help you centrally manage and track your design data. But then, it does so much more. Just see what you're missing. As you know, designers and engineers need to communicate with each other throughout the manufacturing process. But what about manufacturing, marketing, management? What are they missing? Wouldn't it be great if they could get visibility into the design process as well, so they can know material selection in advance perhaps, or provide visualizations to prospective customers that help sell your product? With Vault Professional, you can set permissions so that the right people can get the right drawings at the right time, without bothering the designer or engineer. Access is automatic. And speaking of automatic, do you know what else you're missing without Vault Professional? Automated design documentation. You see, with Vault Professional, your extended team can electronically track changes to more effectively participate in the design process. With a click of a button, change orders can be sent to the responsible team members for review and feedback. Bills of materials get updated in real time and graphically matched to the most current design. And document revisions are captured automatically as well, so anyone with appropriate permissions can access the most current approved design instead of what is currently work in progress. Now here's something you really don't want to miss. Reviewing all of those changes and updates would be a major challenge if you looked at everything in a spreadsheet or database. But with Vault Professional, there's a better way. You simply open the model and review everything right there. Need to know which parts require your attention? It's in the model. Want to know what specifications have changed since last week? It's in the model. Vault Professional helps you understand large amounts of data quickly by showing it to you visually in the model. It even helps you pull the data out to share with others, to raise red flags, communicate status, and improve overall design management. And there's more. Without Vault Professional, you're missing out on seamless integration with the ERP and purchasing systems you already have in place, which can give your engineering teams critical insight into resource availability, inventory requirements, delivery dates, and more. Finally, if your company operates in more than one location, you definitely don't want to miss Vault Professional's built-in multi-site collaboration features, which can connect your teams and business systems wherever they're physically located. Your data stays in one secure location, while working files are localized to each site automatically or as required. And that makes your IT department happy. If you're already using Vault Basic, you're off to a great start. But when you consider how much you're missing by not stepping up to Vault Professional, the reasons to make the move are obvious. After all, you didn't get into engineering to worry about managing data, so don't. With Vault Professional, you can focus on the things you do best, the things you love, and leave the data management chores to us.